Good morning, guys. Dave Spates here and Emily. We're here at the Longs Peak Trailhead. It's about 1:30.
It's 1:10.
It's 1:10. Parking lot's filling up fast. There was about 10 spots left when we got here. Today's the big one. We're gonna divide this up into 5 sections. Gonna go through the Boulderfield to the Keyhole to the ledges. We're gonna go up to the Trough, then to the Narrows, then to the Homestretch. Hopefully we'll be at the Keyhole by sunrise, and we'll start recording as soon as the sun starts coming up. All right, we are on the ledges part of the Keyhole Route right now. As you can see, it's a long way down, but not as bad as the footage makes it look. So far, the ledges route, or the ledges portion of this route, is just a bunch of ups and downs. We've been going down a little more, I think, and we should be at the Trough very shortly. All right, we are now in the Trough, approximately 600 feet of elevation gain. One of the more taxing parts of the Keyhole Route. If I can do this without breaking my camera, swinging everywhere. We're now in the Narrows, and looks pretty long, but despite all the GoPro footage you've seen in the videos, it's really not as bad as it looks.
Even at 14,000 feet, still got it.
All right, we're either at the home stretch or getting close to the home stretch, because we are going up. All right, we're here at the home stretch at roughly 14,000 feet. Have about 259 feet of elevation gain to go, respectively. Let's get it, get it, get it. Again, we're on the home stretch. Despite the pictures you've seen online and the video, it's really not as bad as it makes it out to be. We're at the point now where you just follow this big crack right up to the top. Follow the crack, and we're home free, buddy. Almost there, guys. Final little push. My partner in crime, anxiously awaiting my slow ass.
Yeah, boy.
Made it. Woo!
Number 7 for you.
Summit of Longs Peak, y'all. All right, y'all, we have been up here at the summit of Longs Peak for about 30-45 minutes now. Went all the way around the summit. The summit is huge. As far as hiking time, took us a little over 6 hours to get up here. Lots of elevation gain. The trough is probably the hardest part of the hike in my opinion. Emily thinks it was the narrows. Just all depends on how you deal with the exposure. Not too crowded up here today. Then again, it is only 7:30 a.m. But we're gonna head back down. This is a beautiful hike. Great 14er. Granddaddy of all peaks in Rocky Mountain National Park. Until the next hike, y'all. Catch y'all around.